The Business Administration Marketing Program is a new program, and students learn in it several courses, including Principles of Marketing, Marketing Research and Consumer Behavior, Marketing Strategy and International Marketing, Marketing Communications, among others. They acquire a lot of skills, including analytical skills, quantitative skills, marketing and business skills, interpersonal and communication skills. One of the things that we pride ourselves on is the hands-on application that we have in the course. So we invite a lot of guest speakers. Students work in groups on projects and exercises. The projects are real-life projects that involve clients in many of these courses. We use business simulations. We also have opportunities for the students to take an internship course, which is a required one, where they can apply their experiences on the ground. And of course, the co-op program is something that I encourage all the students to take. It's optional, and this involves a 6-month work at a company that is allied with the school, whereby students work there, leave the university for that semester, and come back to apply the learning on the remaining courses. Of course, if you join this program, you can work in several areas. You can work in multinationals, in brand management, in marketing management, in marketing communications, as business development. You can do the same for large local companies. Also, you can work for startups and take a higher position as a partner or a leader. Or, of course, this program allows you to open your own businesses based on the strength of your business foundations, as well as the depth of your marketing knowledge. Thank you.